Okay, that is measurement of length. So length can be measured in two methods. The first one is the length is measured in direct method. So this is the direct method. The first one is direct method. Direct method. Second one is indirect method. Indirect method. Indirect method. So, in the case of direct method, for example, you take example, what is the length of this whiteboard? How can you measure the length of this board? By the tape. By the tape, you have to take the tape from initial point to the final point. What you got between these two values, that is the length of this board. So then, what is the length of this marker pen? Again, you have to take two, that is the tape or another one scale. Okay. So for example, take the scale and to what? Measure directly. That is the method. It is a direct method. Then you have to how to measure the thickness of this scale by using the screw gauge. Okay, by using the screw gauge, it is easily to measure the thickness of this glass sheet. Then whether the surface is a smooth or horizontal curved surface. How do you have to find out how much it is the curved surface is there? By using the spirometer. So like that, it is a direct method. It is using some instruments, okay, easily to find out the length. Then the second one is very, very important. Indirect method. So indirect method, it is a measured into, the indirect method is measured into three categories. Okay. First one is by using the reflection method. By using the reflection method. By using the reflection method. The second one is by using the parallax method. By using the parallax method. The third one is, that is triangulation method. Triangulation method. So reflection method, parallax method and triangulation method. So the reflection method is, the first one is by using the laser. By using the laser. Second one by radar method. Then third one is by sonar. Okay, so these are the categories. So by using the reflection method. Okay, so all these three are on which principle it is works. Okay, the reflection of sound waves. The reflection of waves. Look at the word reflection. What is reflection? The ray will be bounced back to the same medium. Okay, so next, what are the phenomena? Complete detail will be studied in the later topic. So reflection, that means it is a bounce back. When a ray of light or waves are incident, the sound waves are incident, then it is reflected back. That is the phenomena, reflection. So these three are work on the principle of reflection method. Okay, so discussion one by one. The first one is the reflection method. Second one is parallax method. The third one is triangulation method. Okay, so let's start with first one, reflection method. Okay, the first one is, that is epoch by reflection method. Okay, or by echo. This is the first method. So, echo, when it is produced from the sound waves. So, this is the obstacle. You take, this is a obstacle. Okay, this is the obstacle. Or this is a wall. So it is a sound waves is producing from the gun. So this is the gun. The gun is fired. Okay, the bullet is fired from the gun. This is the bullet. The bullet is fired from the gun, moving with the speed is v. Moving with the speed is v. It covers the distance. It covers the distance x. It covers the distance x. So then, you know very well that is a gun. It produces these sound waves. So this is the sound waves is producing. This is the sound waves producing from the gun and what hit the wall. Okay, hit the wall. Hit the wall. So when these sound waves to reaches the wall and again it is come back. Again it is come back and reaches the original position. So how much distance covered from the sound waves? Okay, so this is the distance is x and this is the distance is x. The total distance covered from the sound waves x plus x 2x. The speed is v and the time taken, okay, that is a t. So x is the distance traveled from the sound waves. Okay, distance traveled from the sound waves. Then t is the time taken. T is the time taken. The time taken of sound waves. The time taken of sound waves. The time taken of the sound waves. V is the speed. V is the speed of sound waves. V is the speed of sound waves. Okay, so we know that speed is equal to, simple formula, speed is equal to distance divided by time taken. So distance is how much? Distance is x plus x divided by time is t. Okay, our aim is to what? Find length, measure the length. How much length is there between these two from gun to the rigid wall? You have to find out x. Then 2x is equal to what? 2x is equal to v into t. Then x is equal to what? X is equal to vt divided by 2. Where x is the distance between the gun to the wall. It is an indirect method. Okay, I cannot what use for the any measurement instruments or measurement equipments. By using the calculation method, it is measured the length between the gun and the reservoir. So look at this one. V is a what? V is the speed of sound waves. Okay, so V is the speed of sound waves, you know very well. The speed is equal to how much? 332.3 meter per second. This is the value of the speed of the sound waves in general case. Then T is the time taken. How to find out the time taken? By using the stopwatch. Okay, so now I am produces the sound waves. The sound waves are traveling and to hit the wall and rebounds to my hair. So that means I count the stop, that is time, by using the stopwatch. So that is T divided by T. To put all those values, this is a what? To measure indirect method. So this is called as echo. Okay, so next one is, or another, that is another name is reflection method. Echo or reflection method. Reflection method. Okay, so make the notes and I go to the next B section, that is B, by laser light. By laser light. B1 is by laser. The first one is laser is a multidirectional or unidirectional. So that is a laser light is a unidirectional light. Unidirectional. Then it is a more intensity. Okay, by using the laser light to cut the diamonds. That much powerful laser light. Okay, so later will be discussion applications and it is characteristics. Then by the laser light, how to find out the length? Okay, so first of all, this is the earth. Okay, this is the earth. Then, for example, this is the moon. So, earth to the moon. Did you find out the length between earth and moon by using the scale or by using the tape? Not possible. By the method laser light. Okay, take the laser light. This is the laser light. Okay, laser light. So when that is a laser light is, okay, speed of the light, speed, V is the speed of the light, and to what? Speed of the light incident on the moon surface. Incident on the moon surface, then it is a rebounds its original path. The distance covered is x. T is a time taken by the light to reach to the earth to the moon and moon to the again earth. Okay, so or this is A or this is B. Okay, the first one is T is the time taken by the T is a time taken by the light, time taken by the light from A to the B and B to the A. Then V is the speed of light. V is the speed of the light. Then X is the distance covered by the light. Distance covered by the light. So the concept is remain same. Speed, that is a V is equal to. So distance covered, how much? X plus X, that is a 2x. Divided by time is T. So what is your name? Length. Length means X. So then X is equal to Vt divided by 2. Okay, so again it is the same formula, got it. So this is the method. The concept is remain same. The concept it is same, but the method is change. Okay, so V is the speed of light. What is the speed of light? The speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. That is called as the speed of the light. Then time. How to find out the time? Again by using the stop clock or stopwatch or digital watch. How much time is to take from earth to the moon and moon to the earth? You have to count it. Put the values because V is already known. Then T is by using stopwatch divided by 2. So all those values are got it. So you have to find out by the laser light. Okay, that's the next one. Next, that is C by radar. Radio detective ranging. Radio detective ranging. Radio detective ranging. Okay, so radar, especially this is used in the case of protection of the borders of all the countries. Okay, especially the army department is used this method to find whether the aeroplane is that my country aeroplane or my country space materials or other countries. It is easily to detect the terrorist, that is by radar method. Okay, so let's see how it is work. Very simple. The method is same. This is Earth. This is the Earth. So this is the object. This is the object. Okay. So this is a transmitter. Okay. This is a transmitter to transmit the signals. This is transmitter. Okay. The transmitter produces radio waves. Radio waves. And to what? This is the waves is produces and reaches the object. Reaches the object and the capture of this signal from the receiver. The receiver is also placed. This is a receiver. This is receiver. Okay, the receiver is to receive these signals. Okay, so how much distance? This is x, this is x. Okay, so the total distance covered from the signal is x. The time is how much? Time is t. Okay, the time taken by the signal to reach from transmitter to the object and object to the receiver, that is a total time. Then the radio waves, the speed of the waves is v is the speed of waves. The same formula, that is a v, speed is equal to distance is how much? 2x divided by time. So then x is equal to vt divided by 2. Okay, again same method, but it is a different instruments are used. The concept is remain same. No? Let's see. Concept ಹಾಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is called as by radar method. Okay, go to the next method. The third method is called as by solar method. That is a by sonar method. Okay, so that means sound navigation, and sound navigation and ranging. So this is the method, that is a sonar method, sound navigation and ranging method. The method, it is a concept is remains same. Okay, so this is a big sea level. Okay, so this is the completely filled with water. So this is the object is there, this is a object. This is the object. Okay, so it is again by using the same concept. This is called as the transmitter. Okay, so this is a transmitter. This is a transmitter and this is a receiver. Okay, so the transmitter, it produces the signals towards the object and the signal is reaches to the object, then it is captured from the receiver signal. Okay, so then total distance is traveled is equal to how much? Total distance is equal to how much? That is a 2x. Then time is t. The concept is v is equal to speed is equal to total distance divided by time. So then x is equal to what? Vt divided by 2. Okay, so this is the method is called as by sonar method. Okay, so all these reflection methods are completed. Okay, so in the next, that is a important parallax method. Okay, so in parallax method, it is a very important for theory examination. Okay, let's study in the next session.